Welcome back to Vicky Ratnani's channel, and today we are making a fantastic Hariyali chicken. Now Hariyali chicken is primarily a dish which comes from the north of India. Now there are various variations to this recipe. So what we are doing today here, I'm going to be using some chicken legs which I've cut into a thigh and a drumstick. Now what we are using for this recipe is the Hariyali, the greenery comes from that green masala. What is green masala? Green masala हम बनाते हैं थोड़ा सा धनिया, उसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी couple of ginger, of about 8-9 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 green chilies in here. इसकी एक पेस्ट बनाने वाले हैं. So I also have a little bit of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek, which I'm going to be adding into this, and I also have a little bit of brown onions, which I'm going to be actually adding into this. Now the onions, brown onions, you can even buy it in a store, or simply just cook the onions down in ghee or in oil or in butter till they get nicely brown. Let's grind our masala here. Now in this I've got ginger, garlic, chilies, coriander. Then I'm going to be adding some lovely black peppercorns in here, about 2 tablespoons of peppercorn. I also like to add 3 to 4 pieces of Elaichi into this because it gives a really nice aroma. A little stick of cinnamon, okay, and I'm going to be adding just a little water to this. Perfect. Also हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ी सी yogurt. So for our chicken, a little bit of salt over here. I have a little bit of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste over here, which is the basic marination of the chicken. After this, we're going to give this a nice mix. Now this can be even marinated in advance, okay? So for this recipe, हम use करेंगे clarified butter, यानी कि घी. Now feel free to use any kind of oil of your choice. Now for this, let's give this a little spark. So I'm going to be adding some Elaichi into this. I'm going to be adding a little bit of Laung, okay? I love these flavors of this. Some black cardamom, banta hi hai. And then we have some star anise. So I love to have a lot of spices in my cooking. You must have noticed by now. अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे बारीक कटा हुआ प्याज. Give this a beautiful mix, okay? Now we are looking at a nice golden brown. इसको अभी हल्का सा भूनेंगे हम. Beautiful. This stage of the cooking is very important, okay? Because अभी आप क्या कर रहे हैं? You are actually searing off the chicken, okay? Now searing से क्या होता है? First of all, you're caramelizing the chicken. थोड़ा सा color भी आता है. You're sealing all the juices of the meat inside. तो अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़े से मसाले, थोड़ा सा धनिया पाउडर, थोड़ी सी रेड चिली पाउडर, ओके, हल्का सा जीरा, not too much, and then we're going to be adding some garam masala. Lovely. तो ये जो रेसिपी है, it's a nice combination of fresh spices and dry spices, okay? Lovely. तो अभी आप literally coating all the spices and at this stage हम हल्का सा पानी डालेंगे, literally to mop up all the spices, okay? तो अभी हम इसे थोड़ी सी धीमी आंच पे डाल देते हैं. And next, in the meanwhile, we're going to be adding our Hariyali masala, our lovely green masala. So this point, you have to literally let the chicken now start absorbing all those flavors, those beautiful spices. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of kasuri methi again. Also, मैंने ये cashew nut की paste बनाई है. Take your cashew nuts, drop them in hot water, let them soak, or even cold water overnight. It's up to you. I like to put them in hot water, couple of hours. After that, blend them, and you get this lovely cashew nut paste. 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of this lovely cashew nut puree. It gives a very nice richness. Great. So I've got this lovely, beautiful, nice and thick chicken. You can eat this with rotis, with parathas, with pav, with sourdough bread if you want. A little bit of pani in this. और अभी हम इसको कवर करते हैं और धीमी आंच पे पकाएंगे उसको. Okay, lovely. And in the meanwhile, हम बनाएंगे our spinach puree. तो थोड़ा नमक in the water, just some boiling water. No, you have a choice. Either I can put my salted water here, or why don't we try this trick today? So boiling water on top of the palak, just like that. And then ice cold water into the ice water. Okay. तो ये आपके blanch भी हो गई है. When you cook green vegetables, you have to keep them minimal cooking, okay? So now I've got this lovely blanch. Now, if you've noticed, मेरा chicken actually पक गया है. My chicken is ready. Now I'm going to be just adding this last minute. तो आपने देखा होगा कि this recipe has layers. Marinade के एक layer है, मसाले के एक layer है, and then flavoring के दूसरे. Okay? So I'm going to be just adding a little bit of water into this to make our spinach puree. Awesome. So we have this lovely green puree here. Perfect. और अभी हम इसमें डाल देते हैं ये. Look at that. So now you know restaurant में जब भी आप जाते हो green chicken कैसे होता है. This is exactly how it happens. तो हमारा हरियाली chicken ready. It's time to plate this up now. So ये हरियाली chicken is ready. अभी थोड़ी सी garnish डालेंगे हम इसमें. And of course ready. Enjoy it with rice. Enjoy it with chapati. Enjoy it with bread. And I'll tell you what, I'll just eat it on this, on my own, okay? Just by itself. So थोड़ी सी दही इस पे, some lovely pudina here, lovely. थोड़े से fried onions. Hariyali chicken by your favorite chef Vicky. Ready. Enjoy, like it, subscribe, share कर लो, and put all your comments below right here. If there's any improvement, you want to try it and give me some feedback how this recipe is going. But believe me, it works amazing. Hariyali hi hariyali hai. See you soon.